Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can download WhatsApp and apply on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 4. So what you're going to do is you're going to swipe up, okay? You're going to swipe up and then you're going to scroll down all the way to something called Play Store, all the way to Play Store, of course. Then from Play Store, you're going to scroll down from health and stuff to scroll down to podcasts and more. You're going to scroll down and also style your watch. You're going to scroll all the way down until you find something called Discover New Apps. One of them is WhatsApp Messenger. You're going to install it and then you're going to click on Open. Okay. Now, once you click on Open, it's going to start. It's going to start setting itself up. Now, once you have this, it's going to tell you continue on your phone. I'm going to continue on my phone. I'm going to launch WhatsApp over here. Okay, and from WhatsApp, it's going to tell you, are you trying to link a new device? You're going to click on confirm. Okay, and then it's going to tell you to identify using your and then it's going to give you this code. The code that gives you over here, you're going to write it over here. So in my case, it is 3E35HA93Q. And once you do this, it's going to log you both onto the phone and onto the phone and also onto the Galaxy Watch. I'll be right back when it finishes. So once over here, it shows for you Wear OS. That means you already successfully logged into your Samsung Galaxy Watch, but right now it is just loading. But once you see this, that means you actually successfully logged in your Samsung. You have your WhatsApp on your Samsung Watch. And as you can see, I have WhatsApp right now on my Samsung Watch. So yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. You can actually go on to whatever chats. And you could, if the chat is going to load, but I won't show it for privacy reasons. And now you can open the keyboard, and then you can send a message from here. If I am in a chat, and I can send a keyboard, and I can send a message. You can also send a voice messages over here. So yeah, guys, this is basically how you can download and set up a Samsung Galaxy Watch on a Galaxy Watch WhatsApp. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.